the charge one sphere by induction. Here's our diagram. We'll follow this first of all, and then I'll show you the write-up. So you get a metallic sphere, diagram 1, diagram 2, bring a charge body close to it, and the charges separate. Like charges repel, unlike charges attract. And then you touch the far side of the sphere, and that neutralizes the charges on that side. Once that's done, you remove the hand that's touching the sphere and the charged object, and you're left in diagram 5 with a charged object. Now that's the overview of it. What you need to remember though is that the electrons are the only ones that move. So in this particular case, you're touching the right hand side of the sphere. You're touching the side with the electrons on it, so the electrons will flow through your body down to the ground. And that will change that'll be different if we were to bring a positively charged object close to the neutral sphere. But you'll see that in a moment. Here's the write-up. Alright, what you do and what happens. Bring a charged object close to the metal sphere. Like charges are repelled to the other side of the sphere, unlike charges are attracted to the same side as the charged object. What you do and what happens, you touch one side of the sphere, and that neutralizes the charges on that side. And then you remove the charged object from the vicinity of the sphere. You are no longer touching it either, and the sphere remains charged. You've now charged it by induction. Okay, and then finally, like I said, what happens if you bring a positively charged rod or positively charged object close to the sphere? Well, the positively charged charges are repelled to the right hand side, negative to the left. That's in A, that's separation of charges. B, if you touch the right hand side of that sphere now, as in connected to the ground, that symbol there with the right angle lines and the three decreasing length lines represent the ground. If you touch that, you're neutralizing the right hand side, and the positive charges don't flow through you. The electrons flow through you. So to neutralize that, the electrons actually flow through your body from the ground up into your hand and on to neutralize the sphere. So it's different in this case compared to what it would be if we brought a negatively charged rod close to it. And then all you do, disconnect it from ground, reduce the charge, or take the charge rod away from it, and you have an induced charge on the sphere.